Hello, my name is Kenny Tong, and I am the Customer Success Manager at Asset Intel. Today, I'm very excited to share some of our monthly inspectX updates with you. This month, we're excited to introduce a new admin feature in inspectX. Allow me to demonstrate. First, go to the admin settings, click on the filter section, select map layout. In this section, you can configure which attributes the users will be able to see in the map pop-up. These configurations can be applied to the inventory, schedule, and the inspection map. So let's walk through configuring the map for the inventory section together. Start by clicking the edit button here, and then you can drag and remove the attributes that you do not want to use. So let me remove mile point as well. And then if you want to add the attributes that you want to use, locate the attributes. So here I'm going to use deck, super, and substructure condition ratings, and select and drag the attributes to the right here. And then if you want to reorder things, you can select the attribute and move it up and down. So once I have the order that I want it to have in the map, I'm going to click Save to store the changes. Now let's go back to the inventory section. Select Map. Select the bridge to show the pop-up. Now you will be able to see the new condition rating for deck, super, sub in the map pop-up. Those were the major updates for this month. Stay tuned for our next installment with more amazing updates on inspectX.